Today, I will be answering some frequently asked questions about enlarged pores. What causes enlarged pores? Are enlarged pores permanent? How to shrink enlarged pores? There are a couple of factors that's making your pores look bigger. Number one, sun damage. A primary reason for enlarging pores. And so sun damage basically reduces the collagen in your skin. The production of collagen is crucial because it keeps your skin healthy and firm. And when your skin is not producing the required amount, your skin becomes less elastic, making your pores appear larger. Number two, increased sebum production. This is also another primary reason that can cause enlarged pores. I mean, don't get me wrong, yes, you need sebum on your face, but excess sebum production can lead to enlarged pores. So some of the reasons that triggers an increase in sebum production can be hormonal imbalance, stress, and dehydration. Number three, genetics. Skin types and skin conditions are some of the things that are passed on to you by your parents. That includes enlarged pores. So basically, if your parents have enlarged pores, there is high possibility of you inheriting it as well. Number four, aging. Now, as you age, the collagen production on your skin slows down, and as a result, this can cause your skin to become less elastic, and also you will notice larger pores appearing on your skin. Enlarged pores are not permanent, but if you do not take care of your skin, you know it, your enlarged pores are gonna remain there forever. So normally when I feel like my pores are getting enlarged, I would always double cleanse. Then I follow up with my normal cleansing, then toning. I use exfoliator twice in a week, and I cannot skip on this, my personal favorite, masking. Technically you can't, but what you can do is you can minimize the appearance of the pores. So here's some couple of steps I'd recommend for you to try out if you want to reduce your pores.
Double cleanse. Here you'll be cleansing twice. First with an oil cleanser which melts away makeup, oil and other impurities, followed by a gel-based cleanser which removes the impurities and minimizes excess oil that's clogging your pores. Currently, I'm using the Ginseng oil cleanser. You can either use a gentle toner like Isntree Hyaluronic toner, or you can also try out an exfoliant like an AHA or BHA masking. Using a wash-off mask helps to minimize the excess oil, which then helps to minimize the appearance of your pores. My personal favorite is the XSY Mugwort Pore Clarifying Wash-Off Pack. You can also check out the new Resolution Gel Mask, also by XS Sunscreen. You cannot miss out on this. Why I say this is because sun damage makes your enlarged pores even worse and also causes your skin to age faster. So when I'm outdoor, I usually carry around this Cosrx Aloe Soothing Sun Cream or a sunstick like the Isntree Hyaluronic Airy Sunstick, which makes reapplication such a breeze.
So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure you guys like and subscribe to our channel, and if you want, we will be listing down the products in the description, so make sure you guys go and check it out.